The monitor masters PoE-Powered Spot Monitor with a built-in 16-channel Uniview IP camera decoder. If you're looking for an easy way to display your IP cameras on a secondary monitor, then this is for you. They're designed for 24/7, 365 operation, includes a 3-year warranty, and they're built like a tank. The best part is they are completely PoE powered. All power and data is sent over Ethernet cable, allowing you to run up to a 328-foot cable run from your PoE injector or PoE switch. This removes the need to find a nearby power receptacle and also eliminates those bulky extension cords and exposed cabling. If you have used Uniview NVRs before, then this will look very familiar. The mouse-controlled interface has all the user-friendly options that you've grown to love. That's because the monitor has an actual built-in Uniview NVR board inside. With multiple viewing options available, you can view one camera all the way up to 16 cameras and everything in between. And the built-in decoder can decode cameras all the way up to 12 megapixel. The monitor has a heavy-duty metal frame and has features designed for commercial environments. There is a tamper-proof removable monitor control button cover. Or if you like to use a remote control, the monitor has an included peel-and-stick IR receiver that can be plugged in as an option. 2 5-watt speakers are on top for clear and audible audio. Additional video inputs are also available. The power connection acts as a 12-volt DC output, useful for powering things like warning lights, sirens, and other accessories. Setup is simple. Just plug in PoE power, go to add a camera, and the monitor will search the cameras on your network. Just add one from the list, enter your credentials, and boom, you got video. Don't have Uniview cameras? No worries, the monitor works fine with third-party cameras using the ONVIF and RTSP protocols. Multiple sizes are available for projects of all sizes and needs. If you need a spot monitor for your next project, or if you have any questions, please contact us and we will get you squared away. Thanks for watching.